Hey Prajakta, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How
How
are
are you?
you?
I am good, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And thank you for inviting me on
Hey,
this podcast. I'm really honored.
thank you.
And
Pleasure to have you, yeah, Prajakta. You're such a kind soul. And thank you for taking out your time and coming on a first March morning, 11 o'clock.
my pleasure. That's my pleasure.
Yeah, so without further ado, let me just introduce you to our viewers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Changemaker Supermom Stories. Today, we are diving into a topic that every coach, entrepreneur, and content creator needs. Guess what? Yes, growing on Instagram organically. I am joined by Supermom Prajakta Keni, a business coach and Instagram expert who specializes in helping coaches grow their business without relying on paid ads. With 15 years of experience in the corporate agency world, she has a deep understanding of branding, audience engagement, and content marketing. Wow. Now she empowers coaches with practical, sustainable strategies to scale their presence, attract clients, and build a strong personal brand the organic way. Welcome, Prajakta. Do you want to add anything?
Thank you. Thank you, Salita, for this wonderful introduction of mine.
Do you want to add anything more to your introduction?
No, no, this is quite much enough.
All all right. So in this session, Prajakta is going to tell you about the biggest Instagram myths, common mistakes, and simple habits that can help you stand out and grow authentically, she says. So let's get started. Prajakta, may I shoot the first question?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So Prajakta, what inspired you to start working as a business coach and Instagram expert, helping coaches grow organically without paid ads? In a day and time when paid ads are talking more, how come you are in this field? Please explain.
This is really nice question. Thank you for this. Actually, this is my journey, when I started my journey. This is really a turning point for me. As I said, I was a digital marketer earlier. I used to help coaches to do and for business owners to do websites and landing page.
Hmm.
But last year, I have attended one event where it was somewhat like networking program event where I met several coaches.
Hmm.
Um and while talking to them, I just came to know that they are struggling to grow their visibility on Instagram.
Hmm.
Though they have lots of knowledge, skills, but they don't know how to give that visibility on Instagram. They just think posting is enough, but still they were not getting that visibility. So I thought of helping them because there was some gap between them, and I thought I can fill that. So that way, this inspired me, and I became a business coach for coaches.
Wonderful, wonderful, and that's the need of the hour, especially beginners who are just setting and getting a trustworthy, Instagram expert coach who will guide.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
And
Because I've seen coaches just because they don't have that proper knowledge,
yeah,
proper strategy, they give up. And I don't want people to suffer like this because every now and then they think that only ads make them grow. But I think this is not true. So I thought of starting with this.
superb, superb. And Prajakta know better than you because you come across such a genuine person and helping
Thank
those.
you very much.
Can you hear me, Prajakta?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So coming back to the second question, what are the biggest challenges people face in growing an Instagram and how they can overcome them, Prajakta?
The major challenge is inconsistency
Uh-huh.
because many coaches think posting is in means they just post, and if they don't get result they just give up. So I would really recommend to the people who think that uh, they are not getting result, so just follow the proper strategy. You will definitely come out of these challenges.
Okay, so what I'm taking back is don't give up, consistently keep posting. That is the key word
Yes,
takeaway.
yes, yes.
So yeah,
Be consistent.
be consistent. Can you share a powerful transformation story from your work? Someone who went from struggling to seeing real growth,
Okay. There's one mentee of mine. Actually, she has joined just because she was very inspired about my field. She came to me and she was very inspired, the design, the font, and everything about my Instagram.
Hmm.
Actually, she had done many courses. She was earlier into. Um, she has invested a lot, but she was not getting that knowledge.
Hmm.
No, not that. What exactly how to close the deal and all.
Hmm.
So I taught her everything how
Hmm.
from how to select a niche, how to close the deal, everything. And now, due to applying all this strategy, now she closed one deal, and
Wow.
that's a really good transformation and the result.
Wonderful, wonderful. She'll be so happy. I can totally visualize that first, they know that first closure, and when you have a guide coach to direct you, because being a coach where I come from, I can see that we are focused on our coaching, but when it comes to promote our self in the
Yeah,
business
just
of Instagram,
because of not having that proper
yeah,
strategy,
yeah.
they
Give up, yeah. So the amount of difference you're making is phenomenal in a world where you
thank
know
you
um,
very much.
Facebook ad coaches are going seen everywhere, and when you are getting a deal where you can grow organically, it's phenomenal. You're doing a great job in Prajakta. And
Thank you very much.
the Prajakta, you said that um, consistency is key, but what are the special, practical, daily habits that can help coaches grow on Instagram without feeling overwhelmed?
I think engaging with your content, with your audience
Mm.
daily, that will help you to understand what exactly they are struggling with.
Mm.
Posting valuable content, not just the information. Share something very educational, inspiring.
Mm.
Because what happened, people means, they don't want information. That information they can get it from Google as well or and ChatGPT. So they are not looking for the information, they are looking for the value, the inspiration, the education. So provide something and post that valuable content. And third is build relationship with your audience. Just
Okay.
don't sell, mm, convert, engage with them, make conversation.
Okay. And when you say make conversation, is replying back to comments and all
Yes,
that?
reply back to their comment, engage
Mm.
with them, do DMs. I think this will help them to grow. And this is an organic way you
Correct.
can. It's really a long process, but I think this works excellent.
Okay. And Prajakta, for our audience who are very new to Instagram, can you quickly tell a difference between organic and paid ads? Like, what is the difference between those two?
Paid attachments in that we pay to Instagram to run the ads, the program, and organic is totally organic where you start engaging with the people, you start conversation with them through DMs and all, through their content. Because
Hmm.
I think, as I said, organic way is a very long process, but this will help you to build authority in your
Right.
audience. Because when you start with the ads, most of the people really don't know you. You just randomly post all the things. But I think organic is a way where you can connect with your audience. So
Very
I
true. Very true.
would I would recommend people who are starting who are in the initial stage, start with your organic way. Build that authority. Be visible on the Insta. And then go for that. Yes, definitely ads give you the success, but I think what organic will give you, that
Authority.
running ads will give you on the initial basis.
Absolutely get the picture, and so rightly said, when you do it organically you are emotionally connecting with the audience also. You're not just coming to their face without first you're building yourself, you're saying, showing that how proficient you are in whatever expertise you
Yes.
are having.
That
Excellent,
time
Raj.
you come to you understand what are they are struggling and what are their pain point, and
Hmm.
through that you can make means you can
Yeah,
plan your content accordingly.
correct.
But means I would suggest first go for an organic way.
Definitely, definitely. It does make sense. And there's a lot of advice out there about Instagram growth, how to do this, how to do this. What are the three common myths or misconceptions that people should stop believing, Prajakta?
The most common myth is that you need a huge follower
Ah,
list.
okay,
But I would say it's absolutely wrong. You don't need a large thousands of followers. You need a right audience with whom you can engage with. So don't run after the followers. Just create content. So your right client will come to you. Right audience will attract you.
this is
And
such a
posting.
golden nugget.
Yes, and posting daily, even people say posting daily, that will help you to grow. But yeah, posting daily is necessary, but still, you need to have that engagement conversation, and you have to build that authority.
Got got it. And
So,
yeah,
and even say third, they have that myth that running ads
hmm,
will guarantee you
hmm,
success. But as I said, it will definitely give you success. But
hmm.
you have for that you need a solid strategy. And I said, even organic will help you to build your authority and give you the long-term result. And after that, you can go for a ad run to run an
Hmm.
ads. But initial stage, I would really recommend people to go on an organic basis.
Right,
So
right.
these are the common myths every coaches, every people are facing, that running ad will guarantee success.
I definitely pick up from this, like what you said, that is such a golden nugget. Like, don't go for followers, go for the right audience. It doesn't matter if you're filled with number of followers is more, but it doesn't matter if they're not your audience. What's the point of having those followers, right? Definitely. Yeah. And
I think this all what I'm giving, this will help the audience as well, what
sure,
I'm
sure.
saying.
Definitely, definitely, Prajakta. And what are some common mistakes people make when trying to grow on Instagram, and how can they fix them? Can you highlight on that?
Mistakes, same. They are,
Thing.
uh, they run after the followers. They, what I'm saying, they don't
Uh,
have that clear niche. No, they don't have that clear niche. Only focus on number of likes,
huh,
uh, what are the followers, views, how many views they have got. They just go on it. They don't concentrate what exactly they have to give. Means I would recommend don't focus on that. Try to provide values to your
right.
content,
So, what you're
because
saying
I
is,
think if you provide a right value, the right client or right people will come to you and
yes, yes,
do conversation daily, engage with them, and just don't ignore the engagements. When
right.
someone give comments on you, do it as soon as possible. Don't delay it.
Hmm,
So don't ignore that engagements.
Keep engaging with the audience, and doesn't matter how many likes or comments you get. You keep adding value, keep adding value, keep adding value. This is what you have to focus on, right? Because
Exactly.
ultimately as a coach you became a coach to make a difference, so this is one of a powerful medium where you can add value, you know and when we keep doing it consistently, one day it will, monetarily also it will give result, right, Prajakta?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah. So Prajakta, if listeners want to take away one lesson from our conversation today, what should it be?
Uh, the most important takeaway that you don't need ads to run your business
Mm.
on Insta. You need a right strategy. And no matter how is your journey,
Mm.
just keep showing up, engage with your audience, connect with them, and provide value. So the right client will come to you.
Oh, that's so important. Keep showing up every day, no matter what. Keep adding value. That is what I'm taking away from our chat, Prajakta. And it's been wonderful chatting with you. Thank you for your
Yeah, thank you very much.
experience.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for calling me. I hope that what I want to tell people, I've just delivered it to your podcast. So thank you for giving me this
Oh,
opportunity.
thank you for coming over, taking out your time and coming over here and sharing your expertise and practical tips. And I think, though the tips are so simple, but yet it's so profound,
This
it is,
are
it is,
powerful.
yes,
If
yes, yes, it
every
is.
coaches, every person, if they follow the steps, they will definitely get a success.
Sure, I'm sure about it, Prajakta. And for those who want to learn more about Instagram growth, please follow Prajakta on her Instagram handle, which I'll be posting in below this video of ours for valuable insights on Instagram growth and organic business growth, branding and content marketing. You can please reach out to her, and she'll be more than happy to help you out, especially mothers who are going into business and want to grow and organically on Instagram, and you don't have any knowledge about, and no better person than Prajakta who can guide you. Please connect with her on her Instagram page, and she'll definitely get in touch with you.
Yes,
And
thank you very
yeah,
much.
most welcome. And remember, Instagram is just not about numbers, as Prajakta says. It is not about how many followers you have. It's about, she says, it's about building trust, creating value, and forming real connections. That is what, in a time of social media and all, what you do in organically is build real connections. It's not about faking anything. So you build real connections and take action. She says, stay consistent and show up every day and watch your brand definitely grow. So anything else you want to add, Prajakta, to this?
No, I think you have said much enough about me. But yes, definitely, I would recommend all just before going for running ads, do organically. Go organically.
Yes.
Connect with people, share valuable content.
Yes. Thank you, Prajakta, and thank you, audience who came to watch us live and who are going to watch us recorded video. Thank you so much for your cheer and encouragement. And I will see you all next month for another inspiring change maker Supermom series stories. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep showing up. Bye for now. Thank you, Prajakta. God bless you.
Thank you, Sarita. Thank you, audience. Bye.